In this activity, we will demonstrate sliding and rolling friction. For this activity, we need sketch pens and a stack of heavy books. Place the books on the table and push these books from one end to another. We observe that we need some amount of effort to push these books. This is due to the friction which opposes the movement of books across the table. This frictional force is called sliding friction. Now place these sketch pens parallel to each other. Place the books on the sketch pens and push them again. We observe that books can be pushed easily with lesser effort. This is because the sketch pens roll across the table, exerting lesser frictional force. This frictional force exerted by the sketch pens is called rolling friction. From this activity, we can conclude that rolling friction is much lesser than sliding friction. This is the reason suitcases has wheels, which makes them easier to carry.